Hello and welcome to this week's Trending Beauty. This week we have 2 fashion items and 3 skincare items. If you're wondering how I go about choosing the trending beauty topics that I talk about each week, it's based on your purchasing dollars. I just go through what's flying off the shelves, what you guys are purchasing, and put it in my trending beauty and fashion edit. So this week, like I said, we have 2 fashion items, a pair of jeans, a sweater, and 3 skincare items. One is actually 40% off. Super exciting. They're getting ready to change the name of this product. That's why they want to give a great sale to us. Let's start out with the 2 fashion items. The first one is a sweater. This cute, adorable sweater by Liling at Target is flying off the shelves. I actually bought it when I was putting this together for you. I love Target. They have a wonderful return policy. It's cream and blue stripes, super trendy, super cute, and I think it's around $45. It's $45, which kind of is like is $10 over the typical Target sweater price, but like I said, I love their return policy and the size availability is dropping by the hour. So definitely if you're interested in the sweater, go check it out. The second item is by Abercrombie & Fitch. It's a pair of jeans. And honestly, I love jeans. I wear jeans almost every single day, but I have not been into an Abercrombie & Fitch store in, I don't know, maybe 20 years. I think I went when my kids were like in their teens. This is the last time I stepped in there. Is that the one that smells like perfume? I can't remember, but I have not stepped into an Abercrombie & Fitch. I actually don't know if their styles are suited for more mature women, but they have on sale a stretch high-rise straight leg jean. Looks really cute on this model. She looks like she's around 20, but if you're into Abercrombie & Fitch, let me know because if I need to start shopping there, I need to know. We're going to move on to the skincare. The first is the Derm Store Advent Calendar. I love an Advent calendar, but you need to make sure that the items in the Advent calendar are actually something you're going to use. I'm going to go through each of the items just so you have an idea of what's in there. My rule of thumb is if it's not 80% something I'm going to use, then I probably won't buy it. That's just kind of my rule of thumb. But the Advent calendar prices are terrific. And they usually give you mostly full-size products. They don't give you sample size, which I really appreciate. First item is the Loretta Urban Antioxidant Sunscreen 40 SPF. I've actually tried this. I received it in PR. I think it was back in the spring. Now, I have to warn you on this product, if you're layering a lot of skincare with this, it does have a tendency to peel. But I like the weight of it. It has a slight sort of skin tint to it. Next is the Allies of Skin. I love Allies of Skin. Even if you don't get this edit, I always have a discount code for Allies of Skin, so check in the description down below. But this is their Allies of Skin 35% vitamin C perfecting serum. I would definitely go for that. The Skin Gym reusable eye mask. I've never used it. If you have, let me know what you think. Hydropeptide Eye Authority. Not something I'm familiar with. The Wonder Beauty Double Date Eyeshadow Duo. I would try that out for sure. Holly Frog, that is a brand that I've been very interested in. Holly Frog Halo AHA BHA Evening Serum. Definitely something I would want to try. Jack Black Intense Lip Therapy Lip Balm 25% SPF. This has actually been on my wish list, but I'm stuck on that Banacream. It's a mineral lip SPF. Cosrx has the AC Collection Acne Patch. I definitely use an acne patch on occasion. The 111 Skin Rose Facial Brightening Treatment Mask. I probably wouldn't use that. Rose just isn't my scent, but if you're into treatment masks, it's in here. Kate Somerville Retinol Vita C Power Serum. Definitely into that. This is the retinol and vitamin C. It's not true that you can't use vitamin C and retinol together. My guess is the vitamin C in this is a lipid vitamin C, lipid soluble vitamin C, which is less intense. Also the Sulwhasoo First Care Activating Serum, Skin Medica Dermal Repair Cream. Skin Medica is a great company, high-end products for sure. Peter Thomas Roth, the Firmex Eye Cream. I use that. I love it. Definitely would check that out. The Bossica Luminizing Charcoal Peel-Off Mask. Again, I'm not really a mask person, especially a peel-off mask, but it might work if you have acne, so something maybe you could pass on to someone who does have acne. The Fur Oil, a natural body oil, softens and prevents ingrown hairs. All about that for after shaving. Sunday Riley CEO 15% Vitamin C Brightening Serum. The Sunday Riley Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment. That was one of my first introductions to an exfoliating lotion. Absolutely love it. It's great for beginners, very gentle. I gave it to my cousin actually. That's a really good product. The IS Clinical Cleansing Complex. That's on my list to try actually, some IS Clinical products, and those are not cheap. The Olaplex 4 shampoo. Plex number 5 conditioner. I would definitely say that this is definitely an 80% edit for me. I would purchase this for sure. All right, it's a 765 value for around 200. All right, next up is the Buffet by The Ordinary. It's 41% off or 40% off, which is fabulous. They're getting ready to change the name. If you did not guess the new name, 38% of you on my poll on Instagram got it right. So 38% of you guessed the multi-peptide HA serum, which is what they're changing the name to. So definitely check out my Instagram page if you haven't. But 40% off the Buffet serum, definitely a nice peptide serum. Nothing fancy, but it has, I think, 5 or 6, maybe even 7 different peptides in it. I used it back in 2019. I have not used that in a long time. I was going through their copper peptides buffet, or the buffet with copper peptides, and found that tricky to kind of work into my routine. I kind of had to have a special day just for copper peptides. So I haven't used, but I might consider going back to the buffet because I'm working on the needleless serum, which is, I'm kind of here nor there about it from dermatology, but I might want to compare the needleless serum and the buffet. If you've used both of those and have an opinion, leave me a comment down below for sure. Next in skincare is the Beauty of Joseon Eye Serum. I actually fell in love with this company. Their sunscreen that they came out with this summer, oh my gosh, the texture is absolutely gorgeous. And I'm definitely interested in checking out more skincare in this line and would definitely try their eye serum. I didn't used to wear an eye serum or an under eye cream until maybe 2 years ago. And then I just realized that it really does help the look of mature under eyes. So I'm a convert for using a dedicated eye product. All right, next in skincare is the Lash and Brow Serum by Augustina Stater. It's like $160 for a lash serum. I would just say no. That is a lot. That's too much money. I recommend Revitalash. I like it a lot. And I also use Bimatoprost kind of on alternating days. I want to recommend a video by Des. She just reviewed the UK Lash, a really affordable product. I'm going to link her video down below. So if you're interested in lash serums, check her video out. Like I said, I recommend Revitalash. I like it a lot. And I also use Bimatoprost kind of on alternating days. And the next item is actually, I lied, it's not a skincare item, it's a hair care item. It's the Dream Coat by Wow. And I've tried this and I found no difference in the texture of my hair, the styling ability of my hair. I actually felt it kind of weighed my hair down, but I again have dry, thin hair. So maybe it'll work for you. Let me know in the comments if you like it because I know tons of people just love this product. So that is a roundup of this week's trending beauty and fashion. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave any comments you have down below, what you'd like to see maybe next week, more focus on fashion, more focus on skincare. Thanks very much and wishing you a skintastic day.